In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an email account to QuickBooks Online in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a small business owner or an accountant, integrating your email information into QuickBooks can streamline your financial communications. So let's dive right into it and make this process as simple as possible for you. First up, you'll want to sign in to your QuickBooks Online account. If you haven't already logged in, head over to QuickBooks and click on the Sign In button. QuickBooks Online is an incredible tool for managing your accounting needs online, and adding your email allows it to work more efficiently for your business. Once you sign in, you'll need to choose QuickBooks Online from the Sign In options. This step ensures you're accessing the online version, which is necessary for linking your email account successfully. Now it's time to log in with your credentials, enter your username and password, and click on Continue. If you're having trouble remembering your password, there's a Forgot Password option available to help you reset it quickly. After you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the home page. Look for the gear icon, which is usually located in the upper right corner of your screen. This icon will lead you to the Settings menu. Clicking on it will open a drop-down menu where you will find all sorts of account preferences you can tweak according to your business needs. From that drop-down menu, you'll want to click on Account and Settings. This is a crucial step as it's where you'll manage all your account information, including your company email setup. Next, you'll need to select the Company tab from the options on the sidebar. This section houses all your business's essential information, and setting it correctly is imperative for the smooth operation of your accounting tasks. In the Company section, locate the Contact Info tab and click on it. Here you'll find fields for your company's contact details, including your email address. This is where you'll either add a new email or edit an existing one to ensure all your correspondence is accurately directed. Once you input or modify your company email, take a moment to double check your entry for any typos or errors. Ensuring your email is correct will save you from future communication mishaps. Finally, after confirming that your email address is correct, click the Save button. This action will update your company's email settings in QuickBooks Online, allowing you to enjoy streamlined communication directly through your accounting platform. And that's it. By following these steps, you can seamlessly add or update an email account in QuickBooks Online. If you found this tutorial helpful, remember to keep this process in mind whenever you need to update your email settings in the future. Thank you for watching, and have an efficient day managing your business.